Merseyside Recycling and Waste Authority is proud to be affiliated with the growing Repair Week campaign. Repair Week is an annual week-long celebration which initially started out in London and has since branched out across multiple locations in the UK, including here in Liverpool City region. As the title suggests, this event's all about championing repair, from sharing simple but effective tips that residents can try at home, to highlighting local repair heroes who are providing services right now. This is our chance to remind residents that they don't need to ditch and replace their everyday items. By choosing to repair, our belongings get a second life, while people save money and help the environment. Whether you have textiles, furniture, bicycles or electrical equipment in need of repair, a little bit of love and patience goes a long way. Many of us can relate to having that faded pair of jeans, that rickety old chest of drawers or that worn out kettle from making one cuppa too many. And we're here to equip people with skills, knowledge and resources that can provide fixes to such situations. During Repair Week and beyond, we can all reuse and repair our way to a cheaper, sustainable lifestyle. To find out more about Repair Week here in Liverpool City region, please visit www.zerowasteLCR.com.